white in all my pictures.
I think a lot of them flashed off on my pictures.
Oh, that's better. It looks more like you. You don't look like a white guy. Oh, that was scary. Scary.
With a penny, then it grows to a dime, then it becomes a quarter, then it becomes a dollar.
My blankie. It's mine.
Here's something very funny. And then I met the boss's daughter, and I wed the boss's daughter, and quite suddenly she died. People always fall down at that. I bought myself an acre, a silo and a steam.
It was Charlie's
I'm back in its
That's
rude.
fully staged, but it was for Vandergrift. And
There you go.
Charlie kept saying, the show is about Dolly.
In New York, there was tremendous skepticism about Hello Dolly because it was a kind of show that Jerry Herman had never written before. And